is detailing is very important. Actually, detailings, if we do rightly, it gives a very beautiful effect. It will change the look of the whole painting. So, and since Madhubani is time taking, you can't hurry up while doing Madhubani. Now you can fill this dot as you wish. Now I'll go with the next flower. So this is also very simple flower, a 5-petal flower. Why I am doing the motifs is because using these motifs, when you do any borders for Madhubani is all about borders. If you're doing the borders, you can use these motifs. And I'll tell you that it comes out so beautifully because I can show you how I have used them in creating borders. You can use it in any way you want. It has a very beautiful effect. And double lines, since I am doing it over here, they are a bit broad as you can see. But if you can do it in a simple like this way also, don't leave much like this. It could be this fine also. I think flowers are the most beautiful thing one can find on this earth. I love doing flowers. And see, you can do anything to do like this. When we were small, ऐसा वाला भी आप ऐसा वाला कर सकते हो, आप ऐसा वाला आप कैसा भी कर सकते हो. बट अगर आप उसको डबल लाइन दोगे ना तो मधुबनी का पूरा वो उस पे खिल के आ जाता है. राइट, द करेक्ट वर्ड इज खिल के आना. So you can erase those pencil work after doing the outline. You can erase them. Fill this with yellow. You can fill any color of your choice. Kachni, I have done 1 or 2 works, and you can use fine line pens for it. And it is basically about fine lines. If you want, I can show you in this flower. Right, you can use fine line pens, different colors, to do that. The line should be very fine in Kachni. Okay. In this leaf, what variation we can do is, if you are filling the one with light green color, the other you can fill with the dark green color. Right. And after filling color, what you can do to beautify it, you can give detailings like this. See, the whole look of the leaf will change when we do such kind of detailing with it. This also, I'm going to do the outline. See here, like this is the first, then this is the second layer, then this is the third layer. You are free to put layers also. There is no restriction on it. Right? You can add n number of designs. You can add your creativity. You can show your creativity in every single thing in Madhubani which you do. Like this, the center one I am doing like this, 3. Then this would come like the simple petal, and then I will do the lotus, the leaf kind of thing. जितना आप धीरे धीरे करोगे ना बहुत सुंदर आता है ये. See, if I am done with the outline, I'll just erase the pencil marks, right, so that it looks good. You can use any color of your choice. If you are feeling, I am doing with sketch pen because it is 1 hour workshop. It's not possible to use paint and do everything. सो आई एम यूजिंग स्केच पेन राइट नाउ टू फिल इन द कलर्स। यही मैं स्केच पेन से कर रही हूँ। आप देखो इसका निब थोड़ा सा थिक है, तो इसकी लाइंस थोड़ी सी थिक आ रही है। यही अगर आप कोई पेन यूज करोगे या अगर आप फाइन लाइन ब्रश यूज करते हो, राइट, तो वो बहुत पतली पतली लाइंस आती हैं, उसका लुक और भी सुंदर होता है। इट लुक्स मोर ब्यूटीफुल।